Tom, puzzle time! 50 pieces left. No phone.
Okay, Zara. Where is the blue dog piece?
Good question.
Let me check under the couch. Not here. I will check in the other room. Grocery app. Oh, bananas. 6 bananas. 12 bananas. 100 bananas. Buy more, save more. Perfect for family.
Found it! Blue dog under couch. Your turn, Tom.
Huh?
Who can that be?
Maybe a surprise.
Stay here. I'll check the door. Hello?
Banana delivery. $100 for Zara.
Wrong house. We didn't order bananas.
A phone says your address. Sign here?
1 second. Notification. Banana order confirmed. $100. Tom! Did you use my phone?
Maybe just a little.
$100 bananas? Are you crazy?
App said family pack. Everyone loves bananas.
Family pack is 6 bananas, not 100.
But 100 is more family. More love.
Delivery guy is waiting. Okay. Leave them. I'll call the store later.
Smart choice. Banana sale today.
Thank you, Banana Man.
Cute kid. Enjoy the jungle.
Tom, you owe me $100.
I pay with hugs.
Zara! Banana boxes everywhere. Tom secretly ordered $100 while I checked the couch. $100? Mom will be so mad. Call customer service. Say cancel order. Too late. Already paid. Tom Logic wins again. Tom, why so many bananas? Be honest.
App said, buy 100, save $20. Good deal.
That's a trick. Normal family eats 6, but we are normal family with extra love. Okay, banana professor.
We make banana bread, banana pancakes, maybe 100 days of breakfast.
Why is house yellow? Tom's secret grocery app adventure. $100 while you babysat? I left phone out for 30 seconds. Or take 70 back tomorrow. We keep 30. Fair. Teamwork fix.
Mom, banana year starts now.
Small banana year, Tom.